What's up, guys? I'm gonna do some work on the lawnmower. Mow the yard. Last time I mowed, I had to push the damn thing. The things little ratcheting keepers in there. Pins are stuck, so I'm gonna have to take the wheels off and get them unstuck. So yeah, this old lawnmower is discontinued, so this is my favorite. No other lawnmower compares today's market, so don't like it when they discontinued this one. So I got a bunch of extra parts for it and stuff, extra tranny. So kind of got parts saved up to keep this one alive. So I'm gonna take the wheels off and clean them axles up. Those the little ratcheting things in there. So yeah, look at that old bag. Had to repair it. This is how I repair my bag. Crazy, huh? Frank's Auto Repair. Well, the bag came in handy, that's for damn sure. So, I got my old trusty tools out. Yeah, we'll get that drive fixed. I got some throttle cables extra. Little guard. And 14 SB. Pressurized lubrication. 5 horse, 5 speed. Yeah. Fast lawnmower there. Damn near have to run in 5 speed. I don't run in 5 speed. That's too damn fast. Too damn fast. Welcome to my nightmare. So, yeah, I think this, I got a bunch of shit in there. Yeah, bunch of shit. There's an OS right there. Look at that old OS. That damn long. Look at that. What does that say? Max. Max OS. That's old school right there. Huh. See, Traxxas sue these people. Maybe it should be the other way around, huh? Quack. I think this engine's older than Traxxas. Look at that. Look at the carb on that. That's a Schnurl type carb. It takes the needle right there. Look at the sunlight. I bet you the Bug 404 knows about these engines. Pretty badass. There's another Max right there. Max OS. That's RC though. I was going to turn this into an RC plane. It used to be an old control line plane. Well, yep. Set up some micro stuff. There's some old plane needles. I got some old plane needles and stuff. There's an OS carb right there. Old Racing Nova head. And I got some old stuff. Muffler. Pretty cool. But there you go, OS Max. $20 RC. Might be what it's on that plane. I think I got it on that plane right there. Look at that, Max OS Max needle. Check that out. Look at that front clip that goes to ball. Now roving, that right there, that ball haul right there. Of course, I got to do some work on it. I got to make a new pin. Yeah, I got to make a new pin for the hub. Now this is about 15 years old. Guesstimating about 15. I can't remember when I bought that brand new. That roving right there. But this is all the extra parts that came with the roving when I bought it. Never used, never broke it. Never broke any of this stuff. That's original. These been in this box for 15 years. All these new parts. Look at that. What else is new? Yeah, see? All that stuff's brand new. So I never broke any of that stuff. If I did, I never used it. Never broke the stuff. But anyway, yeah, I gotta go through this shit. Yeah, a bunch of crap. So I want to get rid of all this crap. Bug right there. There you go. Or send that to Bug 404. He'll like that. A bunch of crap. There's those things they on the axle on that lawnmower. They got that ratcheting deal that catches in there like a ratchet. There's some extras I got. All that stuff. So I just box all this shit up. So I don't do mechanic work on big stuff no more. Anything big. Sockets. Punch. Missing the little things that go on there for the C-clip. Take C-clips off or E-clips. Carburetor, steel wool, filter, Shindowall spool, weed eater spool, got here, starter, Shindowall starter, all kinds of shit. There's the paperwork for the fly sky, gasket material. Clean this shit up. But yeah, a mess. Look at this guy. He'll trip that on. That's the old school carb on the weed eater. Got the slide barrel. Like the motorcycle style. That was a big boy too, that big boy weed eater. There's those. The weed eaters right there. They need carburetor kit, fuel lines, all those need. Carburetor kit, fuel lines, the spool. Oh, yeah. And I sure do miss running those. They put a can of wolf ass on weeds and shit. But anyway, we'll get to this lawnmower, get these off. Yep. Alright guys, I'm going to get to it and get these wheels off and get those cleaned up. I'll see you around. Thanks for watching. Later.